Konnichiwa. Are you having a tough time remembering all those hiragana characters? Don't worry, you're not alone. Hiragana is one of the basic alphabets in Japanese. Each character represents a different sound. A, I, U, E, O. But sometimes remembering all those characters can be tricky. So why not try using Romaji? Romaji is when we use English letters to write Japanese sounds. It makes it easier to read and pronounce Japanese words. Konnichiwa. Do you think it would help a bit? Let me explain how hiragana is converted into Romaji. This is the chart of hiragana. The chart is divided into columns and rows. The 5 vowels are A, I, U, E, O. These characters have the A sound. These have the I sound. These have the U sound. These have E sound. These have the O sound. And ka, ro, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, ro, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, ro, ta, chi, tsu, te, to, na, ro, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, ro, ha, hi, fu, he, ho, ma, ro, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, ro, ya, yu, yo, ra, ro, la, ri, ru, re, ro, wa, ro, wa, o, and For more detailed explanations, check out this video. I've added the link in the description below. So, here's a helpful tip. Use Romaji to practice the sound out loud. And look at the hiragana characters to remember their shapes. Say it out loud. Konnichiwa. Then, look at the hiragana. And say it aloud again. Konnichiwa. This way, you gradually remember the hiragana characters. Let's read some common phrases together. Arigatou. Genki desu ka? Hai, iie. If you're diving into Japanese to connect with others, why not consider using Romaji? They say it takes about 1,000 hours to become conversational in Japanese, instead of focusing solely on memorizing characters. You can read and remember phrases in Romaji until you get comfortable with the hiragana. My students used to write Romaji in their textbooks with a pencil, practice reading aloud, and then erase it afterward. Today, we learned about hiragana and how Romaji can help make learning Japanese easier. Remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep practicing and have fun with it. またね。